Come into Onyx Auto Sales and check out this one owner 2010 Ford Expedition EL Limited. It has a clean title. The CARFAX report shows no accidents or damage being reported. The CARFAX will also confirm it is a one-owner vehicle. You can view the CARFAX report by visiting www.onyxautosales.net. This Expedition has a towing capacity of up to 9,200 pounds. It's 8 cylinders, 5.4 liters. There are 8 seatbelts. I'll zoom in so you can see the tread. It's a beautiful winter morning here in Cache Valley. Blue skies, which we can enjoy for a few days. Go in, the interior is a black leather. You have captain's chairs for the middle row. There are no rips, stains, or tears of any kind. Interior is in immaculate condition. There are no lights on, telling me I have a door open. There's your steering wheel controls. And this Ford is equipped with, you can fold in the side mirrors. This has your navigation, backup camera. Sorry, I pushed the wrong button. You have heated and cooled seats, dual climate control. There's your 4-wheel drive controls. In this one, you also get heated seats down the middle row in the back. If you've been looking for a 7-passenger vehicle, come into Onyx Auto Sales located in Logan at 95 West, 400 North, and check out this Ford Expedition. Purchase your next vehicle from Onyx Auto Sales and you'll drive away smiling. Onyx Auto Sales, let's rock.